Welcome back to the Wig Studio One YouTube channel. This is Taz. Today we're going to take a look at a new style by Gabor in their Essentials collection. This is Fetching Beauty in the color medium red. I really love exploring this brand. It's kind of a no frills brand, but it looks very natural and it has a lot of beautiful features to it. So let's get started on this review. Now remember, you can find this at Wig Studio One. If you go below the video and expand the description box, there'll be a direct product link located there. If you click on the link, it'll take you directly to the site where you can see the colors and pricing. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support at wigstudio1.com. So Fetching Beauty is a long, feminine, wavy style. It has some soft, mildly deconstructed spiral curl. It really has a nice slim profile, doesn't it? I think that also makes it look very natural. And the front pieces here are about 14 inches and overall right around 16 inches. So it's rather smooth until you get about halfway down, and that's where you're going to see the curl. It has a nice slim profile. So one big important note on this, it's made from the Excel fiber, which is heat friendly. So you can take your heat styling tools to tweak it just to your liking. It also gives it a nice natural movement. This is a velvety, silky cut type of fiber. It's not too dry and wispy. It does hold body very, very well. And it's not too shiny right out of the box. Now this one weighs just over 5 ounces. It does have some moderate permatease. Permatease on the top, sides, and back. But it's just a nice average density, something that you would expect for a style like this. It's not too much. It doesn't seem to be too overwhelming, although those front pieces can tend to swoop in over the face. You can use styling to keep that out of the eyes. So the Essentials collection by Gabor is really meant for that everyday wig wearer. So you might have something like this, and this is more affordable for that everyday wear, and then you can substitute with a sister style that has more monofilament and things for a holiday or special occasion. You'll find that these essential styles are in the affordable range. This one does feature the Comfort Cap by Gabor. And what you'll see is, and I'll put up a picture here, you're going to see right away a velvet piece in the front. That velvet piece just makes it so soft against the skin. I don't even know I'm wearing anything. It doesn't have any type of pressure point there. And then what's neat is that hidden weft. So that hidden weft right at the hairline just gives a little brush of fiber. It looks like baby hairs. That gives you a little bit of a natural hairline, despite the fact that it doesn't have any lace at the front. And then you'll see some open wefts on the top, sides, and back. There's just an aver or just a standard nape there, but you will get the Velcro style adjusters. Now I have a 21¼ inch circumference, and this one is very large on me. I had to cinch it in as far as it could go, and I could probably crisscross those adjusters to accommodate such a circumference. I really feel that this average size is going to accommodate 21½ to 22½ very nicely.